Hello students, in the last lecture we have started lesson number 5, linear equations in two variables. Okay, and also we have done few questions of practice set for 5.1. Now we will continue that exercise and solve few more problems of that. Okay students, in the last lecture we have solved first question of question number 3. Now today we will learn how to solve some of the questions of that question. Now you can see question number 2, which is written here. See, in this question coefficients of x are 2 and 3 and coefficient of y are 1 minus 1. So coefficient of y is same. So in this case what we will do, we will directly add or subtract depending on the condition. So basically what we are going to do in this question, we are going to add it because y minus y get cancelled. Okay, so let us do that. Call this equation 1 and this equation 2, and now we are going to add these two equations so that y minus y get cancelled. Okay, so adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now let us see what we are getting after adding. First write these two equations together. Okay, now since we are adding, right, so y minus y get cancelled, and here 3x plus 2x gives you 5x, and here 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Okay, now in the next step transfer this 5 to right hand side so that it becomes 10 upon 5 because it will be divided, because it is in multiplication, so it will divide. Now 5 2s are 10, so you will get x is equal to 2 here. Now we have value of x, and that value we are going to put in equation number 1. Okay, so putting x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Students, you can put the value of x into also, it is your choice. Okay, now I am putting the value of x in equation number 1. Okay, so in this equation we will replace this x by 2, so this becomes 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 plus y equals to 5. So students, in place of x I have written 2. So the next step is what, we will simplify this. Now 2 2 gives you 4, so this becomes 4 plus y equals to 5. Now you have to transfer this 4 to right hand side so that it becomes 5 minus 4. Now you know 5 minus 4 gives you 1, so here you are getting y value 1. Okay, therefore we have answer of x equal to 2 and answer of y equal to 1. Now we will write our final answer. Therefore solution is x comma y, that is 2 comma 1. Okay, so in this way we have completed second question. Again let me revise. See, in this question already we have coefficient of y same, and since it is 1 minus 1, so we are going to add because 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So after adding we got 5x equal to 10, so you will transfer this 5 to right hand side so that you will get 10 upon 5, and you know 5 2s are 10, so you are going to get here x is equal to 2. And after getting the value of x, we have put the value of x in first equation, and if you put the value of x in first equation, then in place of x you will write 2, so this becomes 2 into 2, so that is what we have written here, 2 into 2 plus y equals to 5. Then it becomes 4 plus y, so transfer this 4, you will get 5 minus 4, that is 1. So we got x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1, and hence our answer is, solution is x comma y equals to 2 comma 1. Now we will solve for a third question. Okay, so let us see the third question first. question is 3x minus 5y equals to 16, and your second equation is x minus 3y equals to 8. Okay, you can see both the equations. Now let us give the name. Okay, so this is your first equation, call it first, and this is your second equation, x minus 3y equal to 8, call it second equation. Okay, now students, concentrate on these two equations. Here coefficient of x is 3 and here coefficient of x is 1. Okay, now see the coefficient of y, 5 and 3. So neither x coefficient nor y coefficient is same. So what we will do, we will make either coefficient of x same or coefficient of y same. And here if you want to make coefficient of x same, it is easy because here 3 is there, and here we can make it 3 by multiplying by 3 because 1 3 is 3, so that x coefficient becomes same. But if you want coefficient of y same, then in that case here 5 is there and here 3 is there, so you are going to multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 5, so that here you will get 5 3 is 15 and here also you will get 3 5 is 15. So in that case you have to multiply equation 1 as well as equation 2, so then only you will get coefficient of y same, that is 15. Okay, so it is better to make coefficient of x same, so that is what we are going to do. So multiply equation number 2 by 3. Okay, so multiplying equation 2 by 3. Okay, now if you multiply this equation by 3, here you will get 3x minus, here 3 3s are 9, so you will get 9y equals to, and here 3 8s are 24, call it equation number 3. Okay, now see, equation 1 and equation 3 have x coefficient same and both are 3x. So in this case you will subtract, because after subtraction you will get 3x minus 3x, that is 0. Okay, so that x will go. So for that purpose subtract equation 1 and equation 3. Okay, so let me do that. So subtracting equation 3 from equation 1. Okay, so students, you have to subtract third equation from equation 1, so write first equation first. So your first equation was 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. Now you will write your third equation, that is 3x minus 9y equals to 24. Now you want to subtract, so remember whenever you are subtracting you have to change the sign, so it becomes minus, this becomes plus, and this becomes minus. Okay, positive sign becomes negative, negative becomes positive, and here positive becomes negative. Now 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Okay, and here you can see plus 9 is there and minus 5, so it becomes 9 minus 5, and 9 minus 5 gives you 4, so it becomes 4y. Now students, see here, this is 16 minus 24, so if you do 16 minus 24 you will get minus 8, because bigger number is negative, so after subtraction you have to put minus sign, and 24 minus 16 gives you 8. Okay, now you want to find out the value of y, so transfer this 4 to right hand side, so that you will get 4 to ja, so y equals to minus 2 you will get here. Okay, 4 to 8 and minus sign is there. Now put this value of y equals to minus 2 in equation number, you can put this value of y in equation number 1, 2 or 3, but you see here equation 1 is little bigger as compared to second, so I am putting this in equation number 2. Okay, it is up to you, you can decide whether you want to put it in 1, 2 or 3. So here I am putting this value in equation number 2. So if I put the value of y minus 2 here, what I will get? I will get x minus 3 into minus 2 equals to 8. See, that is what I have written here. X minus 3 into minus 2 equals to 8. Now see, this is x minus minus becomes plus. See, you are multiplying, and whenever you multiply, minus minus becomes plus, and 3 2 is 6. Okay, now in the next step, transfer this 6 to right hand side. So this plus 6 becomes minus 6. So here you will get x is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way you have your answer, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So write that. Okay, so you can write your final answer as, therefore solution is x comma y, that is 2 comma minus 2. Okay, so students, in this way I have completed question number 3. Okay, so let me revise this. See what we did. In this case, coefficient of x or coefficient of y is not same. So what we did, we have made coefficient of x same. So for that purpose, we have multiplied our second equation by 3. And if you multiply, you will get 3x, 3 3 is 9y, and 3 8 is 24. And then we have subtracted equation 1 and equation 3. So we have subtracted equation 1 minus equation 3. So while subtracting, we have to change the sign. So plus 3x becomes minus 3x, minus 9y becomes plus 9y, and this 24 becomes minus 24. Now 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 9 minus 5y gives you 4y, and equal to 16 minus 24 gives you minus 8. So if you transfer this 4, you will get minus 8 upon 4, and you know minus 8 upon 4 is 4 2 is 8, so minus 2. So you got y equal to minus 2. Now you can put the value of y in either equation 1, 2 or 3. So I have put this value in equation number 2, right? So if I put the value of this in in equation 2, I will get x minus 3 into minus 2 equals to 8. So this becomes x plus 6 equal to 8. So if you transfer this 6, you will get 2. So we have x and y value, that is x2 and y minus 2. Now I will solve one more problem, that is fourth one, and remaining 2 will be homework for you. Okay, so let me solve fourth one. Your fourth question is 2y minus x is equal to 0 and 10x plus 15y equals to 105. Okay, now in this question, you can see your question is not in its standard form. So what you will do, you will write these equations in standard form. Okay, so these equations can be written as, see, minus x we will write first, and then plus 2y equals to 0. This will be your first equation. Understood? Now what we did, we have interchanged the place of x and y. So we have written minus x first and then plus 2y, and equal to 0 is already there. Now we will write second equation. Second equation is 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Okay. Now students, you can reduce equation number 2 little further, because all the numbers are divisible by 5. See, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is and 1 is. So this equation can be, we can reduce it further, but let it be as it is. Now we will make coefficient of x same. This is 10, so we want to make here also 10. So for that purpose, multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay, multiplying equation 1 by 10. Now let us multiply. This becomes minus 10x plus 10 2 is 20, so 20y equals to 10 0 is 0. So here you will get 0. Okay, so minus 10x plus 20y equals to 0, and this is your equation number 3. Now you will add equation 2 and equation 3, so that 10x minus 10x get cancelled. So adding equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, so if you add equation 2 and 3, see what you are getting. This is 10x plus 15y equals to 105, and this is minus 10x plus 20y equals to 0. Now let us add. 10x minus 10x get cancelled. 20 plus 15 gives you 35. So here you will get 35y equals to 105. Now you want to find out the value of y. So your y will be what? 105 divided by 35. Okay, because 35 will be in the denominator. And if you do cancellation, see 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 1 ja, so 21, then 7 3 ja, so you will get y equals to 3 here. Okay, so here you got y equals to 3. Now you will put the value of y in first equation to get value of x. So putting y equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, now put the value of y in equation 1. So what you will get? Minus x plus 2 into y value is 3 equals to 0. So this becomes minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So take this minus x to this side. So you will get x is equal to 6. Okay. So what is your answer? X is equal to 6 and y equals to 3. Okay. So write your answer. You can write your final answer by your own. That is x is equal to 6 and y equal to 3. Therefore solution is x comma y 6 comma 3. Okay, so this was easier question. Now remaining two, that is question number 5 and question number 6. These two questions will be homework for you and you will solve it by your own. Okay, now in the next class I will start next exercise, that is 5.2. Now for today that's it. Thank you.